What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Mustang Monday. So tomorrow we have Cars and Coffee here where I live, and this thing is absolutely filthy. So we're going to try out some new car products that we got sent by an awesome company, CroftgateUSA. They've got this Endure XSL they sent us, something called Multi-Clean, which is like a brake dust, a multi-surface cleaner. You can use it on bird droppings, tar, grease, heavy brake dust, and you can use it on interior fabric, upholstery, carpet, paint, wheels, pretty much anything you want sprayed on there, and you're supposed to be able to get it clean. So that's pretty impressive. And then we've got another thing that we're going to use later in a different video for ceramic coating. So I'm excited to try that out. So as you can see in the sunlight here, my car is pretty filthy. Got lots of dust, and I don't drive it a whole lot anymore, and so it just kind of sits and gets dusty. So what we're going to do is, I actually heard from a friend of mine that whenever you try out this Endure XXL, it's basically like one step below a ceramic coating. He said that you can set it on the hood like that. After that is on there, it will slide right off and it won't stick. So I'm excited to try that. Okay, so the first thing we're going to try is this Multi-Clean. I'm going to use it on my disgusting filthy wheels. So you can see there's lots of water spots on there, some brake dust, and then all around they're just pretty gross. So what you're supposed to be able to do with this is just spray it onto a microfiber towel, then spray it onto the surface, and then just wipe it off. And so let's try it out. Okay guys, so I just sprayed this on there, let it sit just a couple seconds, and then wipes it off, and look at that. That is pretty impressive. It's pretty shiny and clean on there. I mean, that's all that brake dust is gone. And I mean, I can see my reflection in it. You can see the see my head on there. Pretty impressed. You guys are wanting some really good wheel cleaner that works. Try this stuff. Now to clean the other wheels. All right, well now all the wheels are clean and shiny. All the brake dust is gone. You can tell they look a lot better. Now let's move on and wash this thing, and then we get to try out this stuff. All right, the car is clean and dry. I dried it with my giant microfiber towel and then blew dry it with my leaf blower. You gotta do what you gotta do. And now it's time to try on this stuff. So instructions just say you're supposed to spray 2 or 3 sprays on a microfiber towel, wipe, and then just get rid of any more residue. So let's give it a whirl. Okay, so I got it right there on the hood. You saw me spray it kind of just right around this general vicinity right here. And you remember what I said at the beginning of the video, if we can get this bottle to not stay on the hood, and that means it did its job. That's pretty impressive. Good job, CroftGate. I can't believe that worked. Hey guys, go check out Endure XXL. It's the real stuff. Just for fun, I figured I would try this little slide-off trick on the flattest part of my car, the roof, and check this out. This is nuts, guys. I mean, what an incredible product. So if you can look here, I can see the reflection of myself in the car. Hi. And I mean, the entire thing is slick as snot, obviously. I mean, this just slid right off of it, no matter what part of the car you put it on. I was talking to my buddy PJ, who's actually the one who told me about the company, and he said that this spray is also hydrophobic. So what we'll try to do here, I've got a cup of water, and pour it on the car and see what it does. Whoa, that's pretty cool. He also said that with proper garaging, which I have in my car, that this spray should last about 3 months with a single application. So that's nuts. All right, guys. Well, that is a wash and an application with CroftGate products. I'll throw their logo up here on the screen and put a link down to their products in the bio if you guys want to check them out. Sounds like a fantastic company. I've only tried just 2 of their things so far, but anything else they make is halfway as good as those 2 things. I'm going to be buying everything they've got. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. If you liked it, make sure you hit the like button down below, and make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell, so that way you get notified for all new videos that we post. And leave a comment and tell me what you guys think about this video, and if there's any products you guys have that you like or you swear by, well, let us know. We're always down to try out new stuff. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. And always remember, don't retire it if you can rebuild it. Thanks so much, guys, for tuning in and watching this week's episode of Rebuild It. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any awesome content. Have a good one.